Hello everyone, this is Manipulator, today with this Befa branded Euro cylinder I got from Lock Fumbler. So thanks again, Lock Fumbler. Let's see what it takes to open this. I'm using this pin side tension tool and this multi-pick. Where is it? There. PN. Why doesn't this focus? Never mind. PN05 in 0.6 millimeters. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, let me jiggle this so you know it's still unused. And I had to remove the C-clip in the back beforehand because this C-clip, nothing on one, we'll click on 2. I'm using very light tension. Click on 3. Hope you can see this. There was a click on 5, but I think there's more to it. And there is. Wow, good bit of a false set there. Let me just check 6. Come on, where are you? Was a good click on 6. All right, let me go backwards. 5 again. Nothing else on 5. 4. Nothing else on 4. 3. Nothing else on 3. We'll click on 2. Counter rotation on 2, sorry. And we're open. Wow, that was crazy easy. Now, as I said, I had to cut off one of those rings. So what I have to do now is all right, so that's what was inside. I have felt like I had to set everything really deep inside the keyhole. Let's just check for, I mean, this one was in this, like this. We just have to check for the spools if they were engaging or not. Let me take the highest pins there, just in case. Which one is higher? This one maybe? Yep, just to check, even if those were the longest key pins in there, if they had a chance to interact or no. Come on. All right. Spool in there. Spool in there. If they really were on the longest key pins, they would still both engage. Even though this one only once, and this might even be, nah, this wouldn't act as a standard. So both of the spools engage, but there wasn't anything else holding us up in this. That's all from Manipulator today. Thanks again, Lock Fumbler, for this really nice lock. And I hope everyone has a great time. See you in the next one. Manipulator says bye-bye.